Mighty Clean Ducts is securing customers for life, one home and business at a time, utilizing only the best technology, training, and customer service. At Mighty Clean, impressions start even before we arrive at your home. Our staff does everything possible to work with your schedule by finding the best time for your service.
Hello, may I speak to Lana, please?
We stay in touch by giving you a reminder the day before.
Great. We look forward to seeing you.
And always showing up when promised. Mighty Clean will always arrive well-equipped and eager to please with our state-of-the-art truck-mounted cleaning system.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm Jeff with Mighty Clean. It's nice to meet you.
You will be greeted in a courteous manner by our professional and well-groomed technicians. These technicians will go over everything with you before the work begins. We will discuss the cost up front and give you an estimate as to how long we will be in your home.
Sure, no problem.
Protecting your home is our greatest concern while we are here. Cleaning any furnace properly will require some minor modifications. Mighty Clean's technicians will be placing two 8-inch holes in your ventilation system, one on the supply side and one on the return side. Our technicians are very well trained in placing and cutting these holes cleanly to avoid any damage. And don't worry, they'll be sealed tight and completely reusable for future service. While the furnace is being prepared, a second technician will run a vacuum hose to the furnace room and set up our high-powered air compressor. Now that setup is done, it's time to start our high-powered, state-of-the-art cleaning equipment. There are two types of cleaning we offer for your vents and ducts. Our most common method uses a high-powered air whip that goes down the vent to the main duct, clearing it of dust and debris. Our second method adds the use of a rotary brush. This cleaning brush is used after the whip, ensuring the most thorough clean possible. Mighty Clean's technicians will gladly help explain which method is best suited for your home. There are two types of vents in a home: supply vents, which are mainly found on the floor, and return vents, commonly found on the walls. These return vents are where the furnace gets its air from, so they will have the most buildup of dust and debris. First, we clean the supply vents. Then, using the holes we carefully inserted near the furnace, we change our suction source. Then thoroughly clean your return vents using our air wand. Our trained technicians can also service your dryer vent systems, as well as your central vacuum lines. Having your dryer vent regularly serviced is very important to the safety of your home. Ignoring buildup in a dryer vent will result in less efficiency. Over time, this can cause malfunction of your dryer and is a common source of house fires. Once all the vents have been cleaned, it's time for the furnace and ducts. We start by running long plastic rods down the ducts. These high-tech rods force out all the heavier dust and debris. The next step is the cleaning of your furnace. We clean all components of your furnace, starting with the blower assembly, then moving to the burner and exhaust system. This ensures the smooth mechanical operation of the furnace. Our techs are also trained to spot mechanical problems and advise you on the next course of action toward repair. If you have air conditioning, this can also be serviced. We use our high-powered vacuum and air compressor to gently remove any dust from the coil and debris from the pan. Keeping your AC system well maintained is vital to its performance and can directly affect your energy costs. If the technician sees what looks to be mold or microbial growth within the AC system, he will recommend a sanitizer solution, which we offer and can be provided at a quoted price. Sanitization of your HVAC system is something our trained technicians will go over with you if it's apparent that it may be needed. As part of all of our service packages, we include the cleaning of your hot water tank. We power down the pilot and clean the burn chamber, as well as the gas valve and the top of the tank before reigniting your pilot light. If you have a high-efficiency tank, then we will clean the exhaust motor and ensure that it's clean and clear. Now that our cleaning process is complete, it's time to clean up. First, we properly seal and close all of our service openings. Then we wipe down all major components in and out of any system we serviced. We always install a complimentary standard-size furnace filter to go with your freshly cleaned system. A sticker showing the date of servicing will be placed on your furnace to help remind you when to bring Mighty Clean back. Now it's time to restart your system and test that everything functions properly for you. While one tech is putting your furnace back in order, the other is carefully packing up our equipment and leaving your home in the immaculate condition you're used to.
So Lana, I'm pleased to report that everything went very well with our cleaning.
Once all work has been completed, the tech will discuss with you in detail how the cleaning went and if there are any recommendations to be made for future servicing or repairs. Once you are satisfied, we go over the invoice and you are free to choose your method of payment.
And of course, we stuck to our original pricing that we discussed in the beginning.
And we hope in exceeding your expectations, you'll become a Mighty Clean client for life.